James Hewitt is ready to see more than his front porch, including a spiritual retreat in the United States that used to be an annual tradition.
And looking very forward to seeing friends from around the world this year.
Hewitt got a double dose of AstraZeneca, a vaccine not approved by U.S. regulators. And that fact may have repercussions for Canadians.
My father was my hero.
Take New York's Broadway as one example, and use today that the 1.7 million Canadians who got AstraZeneca won't be welcome at a Bruce Springsteen stage revival.
I wanted to be able to be a critical voice.
Only those fully vaccinated with U.S. Food and Drug Administration approved vaccines can attend. Decisions about reopening the border are still to come, so other impacts aren't yet known.
Public health messaging was the first shot available to you is the best shot.
This Winnipeg City Councillor has no regrets about getting AstraZeneca. He mixed it up for his second jab, receiving Pfizer, leaving him with questions too.
We already have early plans to go to Hawaii next winter. So, looking forward to those things and, a little bit of worry that, we may be blocked from doing certain things.
But for now, public health officials have more travel advice than answers. Talks with the U.S. are still ongoing.
You're going to have to be a bit patient and do some research.
Guidance from the U.S. Centers for Disease Control itself suggests letting people with 2 doses of vaccines not approved in the U.S. resume normal activities. But in the absence of clear directives, show venues are putting in their own restrictions. Rafi Mujikanian, CBC News, Ottawa.
And on that travel note, we're learning new details tonight about a federal vaccine certification plan that's in the works for Canadian travelers. Ashley Burke, you've been following the story, so what do we know so far?
Well, Adrian, CBC News has confirmed that the government is rolling out the first phase of this program early next month. That means if you're traveling abroad and you're on your way home to Canada, you'll be able to upload proof of vaccination into an app known as ArriveCan. That's all before going through customs.
And so why is that particular step important?
It paves the way for the government to start easing travel restrictions. The health minister has said that fully vaccinated Canadians will no longer have to stay at quarantine hotels soon. The prime minister met with premiers tonight, many of whom called for a vaccine passport. A senior government source said that much of tonight's meeting was centered around the next steps to reopen the border. And one thing they all agree on, being fully vaccinated is the key.
All right, Ashley Burke in Ottawa. Thank you, Ashley.
Thank you.